The 2026 Dodge Challenger is finally here, and let's just say, it's loud, proud, and completely redefined for a new era. After years of rumors, speculation, and spy shots, Dodge has officially pulled the wraps off its next-generation muscle car, and yes, it's bold, it's powerful, and it's gone electric. Let's start with the looks. The new Challenger still keeps the classic long hood, short deck proportions, but everything is sharper, cleaner, and more futuristic. Up front, the grille is wide and sinister with a full-width LED light bar that gives it a modern edge while still paying tribute to the original. The headlights are slim and ink-licking, and they feature a new DRL pattern that's instantly recognizable, especially at night. The hood still features that signature bulge, and you better believe it's functional, especially on the performance trims. Along the side, the Challenger's lines are more sculpted, giving it a wider, lower stance. The roofline still slopes back, with that retro fastback shape, but it now flows more aerodynamic. Around back, the taillights are sleek, horizontal LED strips that stretch across the trunk, and depending on the trim, you'll get a subtle spoiler or a massive wing. The overall vibe: muscle meets modern. Now let's talk performance, and yes, it's a big shift. Dodge has introduced a new Challenger on an F-First platform. The base model is rumored to use a 400-volt system, offering around 455 horsepower with rear-wheel drive and a 0 to 60 time in the mid-4-second range. But that's just the beginning. Step up to the high-performance trims, and you're looking at the new SRT Banshee, which uses an 800-volt system. It's fully electric, makes over 800 horsepower, and hits 60 in under 3 seconds. That's supercar territory, folks. It even comes with a special sound system called Fratsonic chambered exhaust that simulates engine noise to give you that muscle car growl, because silence just wouldn't feel right in a Challenger. If you're not ready to go all electric, don't worry. Dodge is also offering a plug-in hybrid version that combines a twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine with electric motors for a balanced blend of power and efficiency. No matter which version you choose, the Challenger still delivers that rear-wheel drive attitude with optional all-wheel drive on select trims. Inside, Dodge has gone full digital. The new cabin features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive 14-inch curved touchscreen in the center. Everything is sleek, driver-focused, and performance-themed. Ambient lighting, suede inserts, carbon fiber trim, and sport bucket seats give the interior a real race-ready vibe. The Uconnect system has been updated with even faster response times, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an optional performance data recorder that tracks your acceleration, GI forces, and lap times. And yes, it's still roomy. There's space for 4 adults and a usable trunk, so it's still practical for daily driving. Safety tech is fully loaded too. You get adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and emergency braking standard on all trims. Now, for the price, the 2026 Dodge Challenger EV base model is expected to start around $55,000, with the high-performance Banshee models pushing well into 6-figure territory around $90,000 to $100,000 depending on configuration. The hybrid variant is likely to slot in between the two dots. So what do you think? Is the ELE Electric 2026 Challenger the future of American muscle, or are you still holding out for that V8 rumble? Let me know in the comments. And if you love performance, car content like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a first look or review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.